Have you ever been in the situation where you're coming back to your car, whether it's in the middle of the day or in the middle of the night, you hop in your car, you try and start your car up just to find out your battery is dead? But worst of all, there's nobody around to help you, or you're just uncomfortable talking to random strangers about getting the help? Well, I have some great news for you. We have here, it's the Type S Portable Jump Starter and Power Pack. We have a link in the description below where you can pick it up on Amazon, or you can also swing by Costco and pick up one of these guys as well. Included in this kit is the power bank, the blue thing you see, the black storage case, which everything's sitting on. There is the jumper cable with smart and safe protection. There's a user manual, and there's also a USB cable and car adapter so you can charge it while you're out on the run. On the side of the power bank, you have this super bright flashlight. It's great for when you're working in the hood of your car or just anytime you're out at night. You have the on-off switch right here. You have a 5-volt input here for charging up the power bank itself. You have the USB Type-C right here. Plus, you have your standard USB 5-volt output, which is great for charging numerous cell phones. This is a very fast charge right here. Plus, I've also used it to charge up my GoPros while I'm out in the middle of the desert. This is a great way to keep it charged up without having to run your car the whole time. As well as right here is a panel which you'll be plugging in your jumper cables to. Let me show you that in just a moment. So now let me go ahead and show you how you're going to jump start your car using the device. First thing is you're going to go and open up the hood, take off the positive cover, take a power bank, lift open the section right here, plug in your cables. Then you're going to go ahead and take the red side, which is the positive, clip it onto here. And then you're going to go ahead and use the negative, the black side, and clip it onto the negative side. Now you're just going to go ahead and press the power button, and then we're going to go back inside the car and start her up. One of the great features of this unit itself, not only is the fact that you can jumpstart your car, you can charge your cell phones, your GoPros, and anything else you like from it because there's so much power in it. It also has a really bright flashlight on the side for working under the hood of your car at night, or if you just need to walk around. All you have to do is hold on to the power button momentarily, and you have a really good flashlight right here. Also, it's great for emergencies, so you press it again, and you get a flasher, and you can hit it again, and you have this other type of flash as well to help attract attention from other motorists driving by, maybe airplanes if you need to as well. And as a shameless plug to myself, check out the link above, because right here is my fermentation chamber for my home brewing, so go ahead and check that out. Thank you for watching this video today. I hope you found the information very valuable. I personally love this device. I've used it multiple times, jump-starting my own vehicles, as well as jump-starting other people's vehicles, as well as charging my cell phones and my GoPro. This is a very valuable device that should be in every person's car. So if you found this video to be useful, please give us a good thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.